guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence. If you're new here, welcome. I just finished shampooing my hair, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a tea rinse. I'm going to be going with the green tea rinse because I have low porosity hair, black tea rinse for high porosity hair. So I'm going to be going with the green tea rinse, and I'm going to be using a lemon tea. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell beside this before we start, and let's get right into it. Pour some water into the cup you want to use, then put it into a pan or kettle or pot that you want to use. Transfer it onto an electric cooker or a gas or a stove, whichever of your choice. Let the water boil, then pour it back into the cup that you poured it from. After that, all you have to do is take your tea bag and put it into the cup for the tea to soak, or if it's this type you're using, just pour the desired amount into the cup and stir. If you're using a tea bag, leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and let the tea soak well. If you're using a caffeinated tea, you might want to reduce the time. Stir the cup of tea, and then after it has cooled for a while, maybe for 10 to 15 minutes, pour it into a spray bottle of your choice or an applicator bottle. An applicator bottle is actually easier, is better. Pour it into a spray bottle. From here, I got a whole bottle of spray bottle, and I even got another one to drink.
I'll spray it inside your mouth.
All you have to do following that is to apply it to your scalp as much as possible. If you're using an applicator bottle, it would actually be easier. So you just have to put it into your scalp in the middle of your hair and just get it in there and apply it to your scalp and massage it in for a while. I used the tea when it was too late, a little bit warm, lukewarm. I could drink it, so you can get the temperature of the water from there. So it was like I was doing a hot tea rinse, and the lukewarmness of the tea helped with blood flow and blood circulation to my scalp, and that helped even with my scalp massage too. So I loosened my hair when I noticed that I couldn't get into my scalp that much. Then I applied the tea to my scalp as much as I could, and that was what I did to all of my hair. I focused on my scalp and got some on my hair strands also. So how tea rinses work is that teas have a natural property that combats DHT for excessive shedding or even just shedding. So the caffeine in tea mostly helps to combat DHT. DHT is the hormone that is responsible for shedding. So what the caffeine does is to combat the DHT, reduce it, and reduce hair shedding. So that's basically how tea rinses work. So if you have hair shedding, if you have excessive hair shedding and you just want to stop your hair from shedding normally, you can go ahead and incorporate the tea rinse into your hair regimen. Usually it's after you shampoo your hair, you go in with your tea rinse, you rinse it out, and then you go in with your conditioner. So that's what I'm just doing. I'm just applying it to my hair in this video, and that's it. So when you're done applying to your hair, you twist it up like you would normally do when you want to condition your hair, and then you cover it with a plastic bag and leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. That's usually what you would do. So after leaving it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes, you can then take it out and rinse it off with cold water and follow up with a conditioner. That's how you do a tea rinse. And half of the bottle was remaining after I was done with all of my hair. What I did with the rest was to water down my conditioner with the tea and just poured the rest of it on my hair just like that. So that's how I did my tea rinse, and here 15 minutes later I rinsed off the tea from my hair, and that was how I finished it. Thank you guys for watching so far. I hope you've been able to gain one thing or two from this video. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, especially if you have tried a T-Rinse before. How did it fare for you? How did it turn out for you? Did it help with your shedding? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Bye.